you can connect assets to your account in two ways. The first would be to go through Plaid and to sign into your account. You've probably used Plaid already in other financial softwares or maybe through your work. What we do is we use Plaid in order to connect with your financial institution securely and then gather any information about the account. So this would be your account type, your transactions, any balances that you have. And we take all that information for you and we organize it so that you have all the information available in an easy to use format. So in order to connect your account to Plaid, you'll just have to go in and verify your phone number. They're going to send you a link to access the system, and then you're going to sign in to whatever your financial institution is. Now, we encourage you to add in your checking account, any credit cards that you might have, and an investment account just to get started. That's going to give you the ability to use all of the financial reports in a way that is focused on your big picture and also allows you to use all the financial reports available. And when you add in your financial accounts, you're going to have all of those accounts sorted or organized for you in a way that's really easy to understand. So what you see here is our assets are organized in total. Then we have our retirement assets and our property assets. If you have a financial asset that isn't tied to an account, let's say that you own some land or some property that you don't have a login for, what you would do is you would create a manual account. What's great about your manual accounts are that your manual accounts allow you to track accounts in your net worth statement without having a connection directly to a financial institution. And in order to do that, you're just going to create the account. You're going to add in the institution name. So let's just say that you own a piece of property. So we would just call it farm property. And then the account name would be, maybe you have an address or the name for it. We'll just say Blacksburg, VA. And then the account type, you're going to choose property. Account subtype, we'd call it the farm. And then we're creating it today. And let's say that the value of this property is $800,000. And because it's an asset, we're just going to leave it as an asset. Now what we do is we hit done, and that is going to add in the manual account into our balance sheet, into our net worth statement. So it'll be listed there. And so you see that the farm property is added. And if we go and look at the details, we see the value, we see the type, and everything that we put in there. If you have to make any adjustments to it, you just click edit, and now your update option will be available. And let's say that it wasn't 800, you just got an appraisal and it came in at 815,000. So now you would click done. That's going to be updated for you automatically so that that is reflected on your net worth statement, and you can see the details here right there. Now, this information, your financial information, is going to be listed and it's going to be sorted as you can see here. This is also going to be organized for you in your financial reports.